All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol NAKD, Naked Brand Group. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And as we jump into this chart, I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware that towards the end of this video, I have a short message and a few ticker symbols that we're going to reiterate because it's a short clip from a full video. Now, it's a short clip from this video that I posted yesterday, and a lot of investors had the chance to watch it, but this is a welcome video to all first-time viewers and a must-watch to all subscribers. So this is a message directly to every subscriber and for every first-time viewer coming across the channel on the ticker symbols that I've mentioned before, like Walgreens, Twitter, Allegro Micro Devices, Gilead Science, right, Inc., and we've also talked about Fuel Cell and many others. So I made this video as short as possible to share with you guys when I mentioned them, to add to your watch list and where they're at now. So the whole point of these ticker symbols towards the end of the video is for you guys to learn, right, and pay close attention to these stocks and be aware of these opportunities or enlightened. So I would ask of you guys to stay tuned till the end, because in the message, I'm talking to you guys about my intentionality, my goal and purpose of sharing these ticker symbols with you guys, and I want you guys all to learn and grow from these experiences, from every single subscriber, from the first subscriber to the last one that has most recently subscribed. I want you guys all to obtain an opportunity to watch this and receive this knowledge moving forward, so you guys are well equipped and prepared for when I mention these next coming stocks, because there's going to be new stocks to add to your watch list almost every day of the week. So I don't want you guys to continue overlooking it. So stay tuned, hear me out, and then you can also see how some of the ticker symbols that I mentioned in the video, which I kind of cut it off, how they've performed, but every single one of them has gone up almost $10 each. So stay tuned just so you can see it if you haven't had the chance. And if you do have time to watch the full video, it's a video I posted yesterday, and it's called How I Pick Stocks, and it says it's a welcome video for first-time viewers, and for all subscribers, it's a must-watch. So check it out. So here we are. Naked Brand. We talked about this slight jump. We want to keep in mind this lowest point here of 74 cents. Very important moving forward. And could this hold itself up above $1, right? And it's doing pretty well. It's kind of moving sideways, but that subtle downward effect is continuing. So what we want to look for here is our support, and this is the lowest point of the day, 106. It's currently at 113, and slightly after that, it hit a new high here recently of 128, but this is so volatile that we can't really use it as a point of reference. So 106 is our support. We want to watch it carefully if it breaks through it, and how quickly is it moving to newer lows. And if it breaks through it, the next one would be down here at 96 cents. So you really want to pay close attention to how this stock is reacting between 106 and 96 cents. And the midway point you can use is close to $1 to see what's really going on here and how the stock is reacting. But your first support level is 106 to keep in mind. It's currently at 113, and the 50-day moving average is 118. As long as we're below it, we're in bearish territory, and the moment we're above it, we're in bullish territory. So we're in tug-of-war zone here. And if the bulls accomplish breaking through the 50-day moving average, the first resistance level is 122. And that's the highest point before this dip. So 122 needs to be broken through and turn into a support by the bulls to work their way up to newer highs and pull further away from the 50-day moving average. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. Stay tuned till the end, because I have a lot of information for you guys and a short message for you guys to hear me out, and information on ticker symbols that we've talked about before to add to your watch list. All right, everyone, welcome to another video here with Invest for Tomorrow, and I hope that from this video you guys all learned something new And this is a video to confirm to you guys my intentionality when I share ticker symbols towards the end of every video and every single day. Now, every first time viewer coming across the channel, this is also a welcome video to every single viewer and to every subscriber, welcoming you guys back, okay? So I want you guys to be aware that this is a welcome video and also a video so that you guys know my purpose and goal here with the YouTube channel to help every single viewer and investor maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, I'm very intentional on that, but I'm not guaranteeing you guys that you're going to maximize profits or even minimize losses. But I am here to share with you guys opportunities, and I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions on any of the videos or ticker symbols that I talk about. I'm just here to enlighten you guys and share with you guys knowledge and things that I come across, because when we're all caught up in the hype, we forget about that the stock market isn't just 10 ticker symbols. It's not just 20 ticker symbols. It's 7,000 different ticker symbols, and they're all doing something different and growing at different rates. So this is one of them that I talked about in a video, and I've realized that when I do individual videos, they get overlooked. And even when I'm talking about them towards the end of the video, because when you're focused on just looking for the ticker symbol and the chart analysis and the due diligence that you want as an investor, I completely get it. We're tight on time and we want to do as much research as we can for the next trading day, but you guys are sometimes overlooking opportunities. So I really am here to vocalize my intentionality, my purpose, my goal, and why I do this for you guys, okay? I want every single investor to know that I'm passing on an enlightenment to everyone, okay? I want to enlighten everyone on certain ticker symbols that everyone's overlooking, and then I'm seeing potential. And it's usually opportunities. I'm not going to hit home runs every single time, but for the most part, they usually move up because of different reasons. So, American Well is a company that has to do with telehealth. That's revolutionizing. So that's just the summarization of this company. You have to do further due diligence, and I want to kind of make this a quick and short video. I talked about it here. It fell lower. I said we needed to watch for a pullback, and it did, and it ran all the way up to $43. So even if you caught it at the peak of when I talked about it, it still was up $13. If you caught it at the bottom, it was up $18 almost. So very interesting stuff. Now, the other one that I talked about in conjunction with this one in the same video is ALGM, and this is another ticker symbol that when I talked about it was at 24, hit a peak here of $34, fell back down, and now it's running back up to 31. Now, you need to look at what's your position and what's your purpose with any ticker symbol. Is it a short-term goal or a long-term goal? If you're long, I talked here and I reiterated, this could be an opportunity to get out and just go ahead and cut those small losses here of profits and cut out with the small profits that you already got per share. Or you load up on more because you're going to ride this to the next newer levels and resistance levels if you believe in the company. Obviously, you have to do your due diligence, but this is in the automotive industry, working with sensors and autonomous driving. That's a big deal moving forward, right? So, another